I got a new toy for the kitchen. We got an Instapot pressure cooker. Alright, first time using it, so we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna make shredded chicken. Grab yourself some chicken cutlets. We have our pre-seasoned chicken cutlets. One cup of chicken broth. We're gonna use some taco seasoning. Got our seasoning, we got our chicken. Let's get our lid on here. So we're gonna put this on high for 10 minutes, pressure cook. So the chicken is done. Alright, so we got our shredded chicken. We're gonna start adding the ingredients before we put it in the glass. We got 2 cans of beans, a pinto bean and a black bean. We got some rotelli, diced tomato with lime juice and cilantro. Chunky salsa. Now we're gonna mix it up. After we have that mixed up, we're gonna add some rice. Use the rice of your liking. So we got our oven set to 400 degrees. Got a nice layer of cheese on top. And we're just gonna take a fork and we're gonna mix it in. Once you got everything mixed together, I like using sharp cheddar. I'm gonna give it another layer on top. It's gonna go in the oven until that cheese melts. Boom, there you have it. Shredded chicken, nacho dip with some scoops. And then we have some more chunky salsa we're gonna put on it. You can use some sour cream with this, it goes great. Corner section, look at that. Look at that chicken in there. Look at that. Rice and chicken. Take our salsa. There you have it, guys. There it is. Alright, so we got Instapot pressure cooker, chicken breast, 10 minutes on high. Shred it. Throw in some rice, whatever rice you like. Brown, white, yellow rice. Mix it in there, throw some chunky salsa in there, throw some hot sauce in there. I used 2 types of beans, use whatever beans you like. And here you have it, guys. 10 minutes in there, 5 minutes to mix up, 10 minutes. This is an under 30-minute meal. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna go eat and enjoy this. You know we appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you.